Okay. You want to open presents for Auntie Lauren and Uncle Brian? Here's one. There's one of them. There. Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah. This is great. You gotta open it first. You think that is the present? Yes, it's a very nice wrapping job. But I think there's also something inside. Yes. I'll help you. Aren't they cute packages? Ugh. Okay, here we go. Look, love, believe. There's a little gingerbread. Oh, you like the ribbon, huh? This is fabulous. Okay, let's take that before you choke on it. That's no good. Alrighty, do your worst. Let go of elephant. Let go of elephant. Let go of elephant. Okay. There. Whatever technique works for you. Here. Shall we maybe help you out here? Here we go. What is it? What is it? Huh? What is it? You love the paper, huh? Let's see.